Hey everyone, welcome to back the channel Automotor. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Aprilia RSV4 is a superbike that pushes the boundaries of performance, technology, and design. With its aggressive styling and advanced engineering, the RSV4 continues to build on its reputation as one of the most thrilling and capable motorcycles in its class. This bike isn't just for the track, it's built to impress on every twist of the road, combining race-derived features with everyday usability. The heart of the 2025 RSV4 is its powerhouse of an engine, a 1099cc 4.4 that delivers exhilarating performance with 217 horsepower. This engine is a masterpiece, providing smooth, linear power delivery that can rip through corners and accelerate effortlessly on the straights. Aprilia has also refined the bike's electronics package, ensuring that riders get the most out of the engine's power without losing control. With adjustable ride modes, traction control, wheelie control, and cornering ABS, the RSV4 offers a customizable riding experience that suits both seasoned riders and those newer to performance bikes. But it's not just about raw power. The 2025 RSV4 features a lighter and more refined chassis than ever before. The new aluminum frame provides enhanced rigidity and feedback, making the bike incredibly responsive in corners and at high speeds. Aprilia's use of top-tier suspension components, including an Öhlins Smart EC 2.0 electronic system, further improves handling and stability, ensuring that every ride is smooth, controlled, and comfortable even in the most demanding conditions. When it comes to design, the 2025 RSV4 maintains its sharp, aggressive look while incorporating aerodynamic updates that improve airflow and stability at high speeds. The front end is dominated by a new set of LED headlights, which not only improve visibility but also add to the bike's fierce presence. The bodywork has been fine-tuned for both performance and aesthetics, with sleek lines that emphasize the bike's racing heritage. On the inside, the 2025 RSV4 offers a full-color TFT that provides all the necessary information at a glance, from speed and revs to track-specific telemetry. The interface is user-friendly and allows for easy adjustments on the fly, making it ideal for both track days and road use. The ergonomic layout of the bike is designed to ensure that riders are positioned optimally for aggressive riding without sacrificing comfort. The seat handlebars and foot pegs are all adjustable, allowing for a personalized fit to suit different riding styles and preferences. One of the most exciting features of the 2025 Aprilia RSV4 is its electronic rider aids, which make the bike not only faster but also safer. The new generation Aprilia Performance Ride Control system gives riders more control over their bike, helping to manage power delivery, cornering and braking. Whether you're leaning into a corner or accelerating out of one, the system adjusts dynamically to ensure maximum grip and stability. In conclusion, the 2025 Aprilia RSV4 is a true performance machine that blends cutting-edge technology, unmatched power, and stunning design into one package. It's a motorcycle that offers everything a rider could want, whether you're seeking the thrill of the track or the excitement of the open road. With its advanced features, incredible handling, and unmistakable style, the 2025 RSV4 continues Aprilia's legacy as a leader in the world of superbikes. If you're looking for an unmatched riding experience, this bike is ready to deliver.